Hi! Welcome to my everyday makeup routine. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe. This is AJ Masangya. Join my small YouTube family. Used my facial spray and now I'm waiting for it to dry. I'm going to use my all-time favorite hairband since grade 5. Sobrang tagal na, di ba? Sobrang tibay pa rin niya since elementary days pa. This is Biore sunblock. I also can't leave the house without applying any sunblock. I'm using again the same BB cream. For my 3,000 subscribers giveaway, one lucky winner will get all of these 4 mini bags. 1, 2, 3, and this one is a mini backpack. And additional 1 makeup pouch. To join this giveaway, same lang ng mechanics sa 2,000 subscribers giveaway ko. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, follow my Instagram account at mary.anch. Number 3, like my Facebook page, AJ Masangya-ALIYA. And number 4, comment down below kung sasali ka at nagawa mo na yung tatlong mechanics. At may optional tayo, number 5, optional lang. Kung may idea ka, suggestion, or request na video, i-comment mo na rin. Thank you! Pwede kang sumali sa giveaway ko hanggang February 4, 11:59 PM. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Bye!